I can't speak English. The more you say it, the more your confidence goes down. So today, let's change this sentence together. Hi everyone, this is Puja and today's video is not only about English, it's about कॉन्फिडन्स. नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी पूजा आणि आज आपण कॉन्फिडन्स बिल्डिंग इंग्लिश प्रॅक्टिस करणार आहोत. डे 19 0 to fluent English in 30 days. Many people think my English is weak. I feel nervous. People speak better than me. But listen carefully. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need courage to start. Instead of saying, I can't speak English, say, I am learning English. Instead of saying, my English is bad, say, my English is improving. Instead of saying, I am scared, say, I will practice slowly. Now, say this slowly with confidence. I am learning English. I am improving daily. I will keep practicing. I can speak English. बस कॉन्फिडन्स सोबत बोला. इमॅजिन दिस. Someone asks, can you speak English? Don't panic. Just smile and say, yes, I am learning. Simple, natural, confident. Fluent English does not come in one day. Even 5 minutes of daily speaking can change your confidence slowly. Today, don't say, I can't speak English. Replace it with, I am learning English. That small change matters a lot. Comment this sentence, I am improving daily. Tomorrow we will learn simple English sentences for daily life. Keep speaking even with mistakes because every small practice is building your confidence. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.